Oh, hello, I'm Steve TT120. Welcome back to the channel. This is Churchill Station, and Happy New Year to you if I haven't seen you before. Several people asked at the show, what did I buy? Well, there was loads of things to choose from. There is one thing that caught my eye and seems very good, and I thought, now that's a very useful item, I'll get one of those. So that's about all I bought really at the show. A range of different pieces to go, but what the kit that I put together was obviously the light. I went for a clamp on a bench, a thick flexible leg and two slightly thinner ones, and how we can put them together is that they got a thread on the side and a thread on the bracket there, so you can screw it on. And then I chose that one because I like to clamp it to the edge of my bench. I find with a magnet other things stick to it, but I thought I'd go for a clamp on the bench. You can extend the arm out to add on another one, and then you can put them onto the light. Now there's two fittings. You can either go quarter thread on the bottom or on the back. That will point down to where I'm trying to do any modelling. The second one can go also onto the bracket down here, and then on this one I went for the magnifying glass, so I can put that onto the second arm. Now I can set that above the bench and then have my light whichever side I want. Let's turn it on, so I can see with the magnifying glass here, working away, trying to do some of the finer stuff. Right, the light itself is USB charged. Let's just spin that off. You have a USB lead here, and you can plug it in on the side here, on there. It says in and out power supply. There's two magnets on the back there, one there and one there, so, and with those four little feet you'll be able to stick it down to something else, or if on the side of your car or wherever you're working. The charging indicator on the back there says, oh, I've got two, so I think I better charge it up a little. It's not flat completely, but multiple presses of the light, it does various functions like turn on and off. The next one dims it a bit, and then you've got a flashing one. Breakdown on the side of the car could be a good idea. So that's the Geotech. Comes in a very nice little bag, so I can put it all together and keep it nice and tidy. That's one of my little purchases I buy. I did buy one other. I went to the brush stall and got some nice little fine detailing brushes. Only a fiver. I didn't think that was too bad for the show. Wants to know what the prices are. We start off at a £50, £75 kit, or even a £100 kit. So you pay your money, you take your choice. Up to you. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I've been looking on my controller and I've been getting this error message. Apparently you haven't subscribed yet, so please click the little box below and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, but the algorithm, it works great. Click the box please. See you on the next one.